coming from?
Jim Peterson, I'm out of Pennsylvania.
So what brings you here?
Support the police officers and also turn around and make sure there's a peaceful transition.
So now, how did it go today?
Pardon me?
How did it go?
It went well. It went well today.
Yeah, so Donald Trump is now the president.
Pardon me?
What do we expect from the new president?
Well, hopefully he'll turn around and promise, and he'll do what he promised the public. And, you know, he might not do it all, but you know what? We're better off with him than we are Obama. That's for sure.
Uh-huh. So personally, what do you expect to get out of this new president? Personally, your own personal opinion.
What do I expect?
Yeah.
I don't expect 100%, but I'm going to tell you one thing. You know, I expect 70% anyways.
So now, for the next 4 years, do you think Mr. Trump is going to create some jobs? He's going to do that?
He's already begun to do that.
Uh-huh. And
So he's on the right path.
Uh-huh.
You know, and I mean, right now, I mean, if he falls short, then the people are going to turn around and, you know, they're not going to like it. So, and nor would I. So, but I mean, he's a man of his word. If he can run the country like he runs his business, we'll be fine.
So do you have any message for Americans? Any message for Americans?
Now, I think what we need to do is just all pull together, all right, and make it a better place to live. And I mean, this bullshit being divided, you know, and you know, racism isn't the answer. It's not the card to play. And as far as I'm concerned, you know, he's got to turn around and, you know, lower the deficit. It's way out of sight. And as far as medical and stuff, there's people that really need the medical. You know, the veterans, the people that have, you know, pre-existing conditions, but people that make it a way of life, get them off the system.
And you're a veteran?
And, pardon me?
Are you a veteran?
Yeah. I was in the Air Force.
Thank you, sir.
So.
Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.